I had to call home and get it. Hey Mary, she's not waking up. Jessica, wake Trisha. I want you to wake up. Pronto.
Oh, go away.
Wanna open
Dad's
your
video
presents?
cameraing you. You're on TV. Smile, you're on candid camera. Stop it, chat. I wanted this too. I didn't think it was a mistake. Dunkin' Donuts toy trucker.
What is it?
Dunkin' Donuts and a Sonic.
All right.
Cartooning kit.
Oh, to draw? Excellent.
Let's cartoon.
This has my name.
That has your name on it too?
Look,
I'm gonna open the first thing you'll open.
Mommy, look.
Imagine that paper.
Jesse from Santa Claus. Oh.
It's heavy.
Did you guys wake Trisha?
I think so.
I think she just fell out of bed.
This one's got my name on it. That means I shall open it. From pizza.
Happy Meal snack maker.
Whoa.
What's it called meal today then?
Then I don't have to go to McDonald's anymore.
A magic starter set. Cool.
Now
Magic
there's a
starter
thought for
set.
Christmas. What is it?
Magic?
starter set.
Can you make all this paper disappear? What's this thing here? Where'd that come from?
From Santa.
Wow. From who?
Yeah.
Santa? Wow, wait, look at the size of it.
Yeah, really.
Oh, that,
This.
Is that
Maybe
a
that's for me.
boom box?
maybe that's for me.
Wow.
No, it's from Santa.
Too though.
And that's the thing with my name on it.
Maybe you can just watch it.
Jesse. Yes.
Jesse.
Is that an easy bake oven, I say?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is what I wanted, Mom.
Wow.
Oh, one of those. Yeah.
Oh, you're welcome, honey.
Mommy, look it.
That's what you wanted, huh?
Mommy,
Boy, you
look
know,
it.
look handsome today. You didn't even have to wash all those things.
Mom,
Oh, look at that. Stickers.
stickers.
Stickers. What are stickers?
Stickers?
Fantastic stickers. Sticker maker. I gotta get
Stick
picked
them
up
up.
now.
I've got a
for
mini
speed.
super soaker and I know how to use it.
I get, instead of getting picked up for speed now, I get picked up for having a radar detector.
And look, Mommy.
Did you open it? Oh,
Oh, he's still doing that damn hammer. Who gave him that thing?
Who?
I don't know.
Me?
People that live in South Carolina, I guess. Those I think are for everyone that's coming to visit Andy.
Okay,
What's it?
What's that, Trish?
did you get a something to carry it over?
Yes.
Oh, where is it? Did you open it?
What's this for?
What size are they?
Ten.
They should fit.
They should fit.
That's fine, I think.
Oh, it's pretty.
What's that?
I don't know. What does it say?
You wrote it, I think.
To everybody here.
Oh, it's
I
every-
think I did it.
Oh, boy,
Big tights.
remote. I should have had this the other night to stop, huh?
Bobby wanted to give it to you the other night.
That's all right. We wanted to give the camera to you people so you could have taken pictures of
Can't
Jesse
have
at the
this.
thing. Because we've had that since we came back from St. Martin.
Daddy, I'm opening
More?
this.
Mom. I didn't have with my pile.
I think we have to unscrew her behind to put the batteries in to make her do it.
That's mine, Andy. Mommy! Mommy! Oh, get Mom. I'll be back. Mommy! Mom! Mom! Mom!
Your body's right, you know, like, I've had this before.
Keep singing, no? Again. John, candy camera.
Right, you just have to get right now.
Okay, you ready to take some out of here? You're not gonna make gravy.
No, I'm not making gravy. Carol does. It's very good, but I'm not.
So I got the color viewfinder and everything? Yeah.
peas and you have a plate in your lap of peas, so go over to the floor and just knock peas right out on the floor to eat. He likes all vegetable stuff.
Managed to, I always remember Charlie, every time Charlie, he was a whole bowl of food, like, chop it up,
You have to eat like one little
from their bowl.
pig, put 2 peas in his food. They'll eat the whole bowl of food and leave the 2 peas right there.